According to the IRS, the average millionaire has 7 sources of income. Want to know what they are? Stay tuned. What's up, you guys? My name is Jose and welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're going to look at the 7 sources of income for most millionaires according to the IRS.
7.
I'm also going to share with you guys my 7 sources of income, so drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. Alright, so according to the IRS, most millionaires have these 7 sources of income. They are dividend income from stocks owned, earned income from paychecks, rent from rental real estate, royalties from selling rights to use something they have written or invented, capital gains from selling appreciated assets, profits from businesses they own, and interest from savings, CDs, bonds, and other lending activities. These are all great ideas for sources of income, guys. Now, as I promised, here are my 7 sources of income. My first source of income, as many of you out there watching, is my job. I like my job, it pays well, but I realize that I'm not in charge. I can be let go at any time. That is why all you guys need to be looking for ways to make money outside of your job. Hopefully this video will give you some ideas. A lot of people get to their job and stop looking for other sources of income. If this is you, that's fine. But remember, job stands for just over broke. Your job is not meant to make you rich. Your job is meant to pay your basic necessities and monthly bills. Unless you have a 6-figure paying job, I doubt that you are rich right now or will ever be rich in the future. My second source of income is my military pension. As you guys probably know by now, I did 20 years in the US Army and retired back in 2015. I owe a lot to the military, including my education, discipline, and drive. It's also where I met many of my brothers and sisters and dear friends who fought right next to me and who I still speak to this day. I was able to represent and fight for the country that I love and has given me so much, and for that I'm truly grateful. Number 3 is my dividends from my dividend portfolio. Now, this is the most passive form of income that I have. I don't have to do anything, just leave my money sitting there and collect dividends every month. I could take out these dividends and use it to pay bills, but instead I continue to reinvest them back into my portfolio in order to increase my monthly payout. At number 4 is my YouTube channel. Now, this source of income is not really making me much money at this time, but I do understand that it will take time and hope that it will be worth it in the end. I've been at it for 3 years now, and the long hours and long nights have been brutal. However, it has opened many other sources of income for me that we will discuss next. Number 5 is my Patreon. Here's where fans of my work and my YouTube channel can come to get extra perks and have an inside look at my investments. All the perks include a shout out on all my videos, dividend and IPO tracker, private Discord access, and more. At number 6 is my channel merch. I use Teespring to sell merchandises like t-shirts, hoodies, iPhone cases. This is a great way to make extra cash every month, and it's a great way for you guys, the fans of my channel, to show your support and your love for the channel. And my number 7 and last source of income is my complete marketing masterclass course at Udemy. Now, Udemy is a great way to learn and teach, and I've gotten 3 students in the last 2 weeks. This is my newest and latest source of income, and I'm super excited about it. It's really satisfying receiving good reviews about my courses and being able to help others succeed. If you would like to check out my course, there's a link in the description of this video. Alright guys, and that's it. My 7 sources of income. I'm always looking for more, so if you have any ideas, please leave it in the comments below. As always guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, but more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick is the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, leave you broke, son.